In the virtual machine network configuration, network address translation NAT, host only, and bridged networking are three different options for connecting the VM to the network. Here's a brief explanation of each. With NAT, the VM's network traffic is routed through the host system, and the host acts as a gateway for the VM to communicate with the external network. The host system performs network address translation, allowing the VM to share the host's IP address for outbound connections. This provides the VM with internet access, but isolates it from the external network, making it invisible to other devices on the network. Host-only networking creates a network that is isolated to the host system and the VMs running on it. In this configuration, the VMs can communicate with each other and with the host system, but they cannot access the external network or other devices on the physical network. It provides a secure environment for testing and development scenarios. Bridged networking connects the VM directly to the physical network, as if it were a separate physical machine connected to the network. The VM gets its IP address from the network's DHCP server, and it can communicate with other devices on the network. This configuration allows the VM to be part of the same network as other physical machines, enabling seamless communication and integration. In summary, NAT provides internet access to the VM, while isolating it from the external network. Host-only networking creates an isolated network for communication between VMs and the host. Bridged networking connects the VM directly to the physical network, enabling communication with other devices on the network. The choice of network configuration depends on the specific requirements and use case of the VM. In this class, we will configure network connectivity between RHEL 9 virtual machines using the bridged network setting in VirtualBox. Let's get started. Start VirtualBox. Open the network setting of the RHEL 9 VM. Enable Adapter 1 and attach it to the bridged adapter. Click on Advanced. Generate a new random MAC address. Do the same configuration on the second virtual machine. Start the two VMs. To show the current IP address, use the command. If the IP address is the same on the two VMs, you can modify the IP address on the active interface on one of the two VMs, using either the Network Manager command line interface or Network Manager text user interface. For example, to change the IP address using the Network Manager text user interface command, run. Save the changes. Restart the network interface to apply the changes. To verify, run. To test network connectivity between our RHEL 9 virtual machines, run. Also, you can try the SSH command. I hope you found this class informative. Thank you for viewing.